Has there ever been a point in your life where you found something you've always wanted and it wasn't too good to be true? It's pretty good. This time around, we're getting blue and showing off some body parts. For the Protege. Come on, get your head out of the gutter. I am now the proud owner of a Familia GT-R front bumper. It's even got the tow hook cover, which some people can't even say that. Anyone who's seen even a shred of content about this car knows that it's powered by the heart of a Familia GT-R. And if you're unfamiliar with what that car was, it was a Group A rally homologation special in the late 80s, early 90s. It was basically this car, but a 3-door hatchback with a turbocharged engine and 4-wheel drive. I also have a set of the factory Familia GT-R fender flares, which really are more arch extensions than anything, but in having those, this bumper, and this engine, I've completed the trifecta as far as sedans go. And these fender flares are what I was talking about when I said we're going to get blue today. I'm going to body paint color match these to the car. As I've stated in the past, this color is first generation Dodge Viper Pearl Blue. I found a company that offers this color in spray cans, bought the kit and some adhesion promoter. Hopefully it'll come out looking good, but if not, this still needs to get painted, and I know a guy. I may also be cajoled into soft installing this thing on the car just to see what it looks like. I've never had the bumper off, so maybe that's a little adventure for later. But for now, we gonna paint these. Everybody knows what spray painting looks like. I don't need to take video clips of that, but tell you what. 1, 2. Wow, I did it. 3, 4. Aren't you glad you stayed for more? This, might be the best paint work I've ever done. Prep wasn't, that great, but boy does it look good, and that is the color. Faux show. Hell yeah. So while those dry, let's turn to this guy. Let's see if I can get that bumper on here. Why not? And away we go. This intercooler's huge. I need to, like, cut this intercooler in half. It was meant for a Supra. I don't know what he was doing, but Supras make, like, 6 to 1,000 horsepower, and, Supra intercooler's a little much. Oh, yes. I am in love. So that's kind of what we're going to be working with. Of course, there is some bracketry I'm gonna have to make up to support this big old thing. That intercooler is just too tall. It's pushing up. It does it on the stock bumper. It's already ruined the blue bumper, but it doesn't look great all loosey-goosey. With a smaller intercooler, I'd be able to rotate it up and some bracketry and stuff. Get it up the way it needs to be. That's a little more like what we're looking for. Eventually, a hole, because there's like nothing here. You can see there's a little tab for some bracketry, but some kind of, I guess a bash bar style bumper is gonna have to be the ticket. Off this comes for now. That'll be a project to futz with another time. I'm gonna let these guys sit, have plenty of time to cure. Interjection time! If it sounds like I'm tired and have taken ill, well, it's because I'm tired and have taken ill. But I wanted to get this video done for you guys. I was going to leave those flares off as a smaller project in a future video, but it didn't seem right not finishing out and bringing it full circle. So I did end up putting flares on the car, but I only did the rears, and here's why. When I rolled the fenders, I also flared them a little bit, and in the rear, with the new wheel fitment, it's kind of tight, and it was looking a little pokey, so I especially wanted to get those rear flares on. But in the front, there is plenty of room. chrome. It really actually makes the front and rear look even. So I'm happy with the result, and like I said, because the paint color is so close, you can't even tell. It doesn't look incomplete. Let me know what you think in the comments. I also didn't show me putting them on because I'm pretty sure we all understand how double-sided tape works. Back to old me. It really is nice to be out here excited about making content and like out in the garage and it's all lit up. Like, this room feels alive. So I hope you guys are liking this. I need to finish turning the car back into what it was. I've been underneath brainstorming. Get down in the comments, let me know if you guys are enjoying the content. But for now, that's it for me. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Probably be part but that'll be part of probably